So we found this white cat literally near the garbage. This cat is definitely hungry, and we serve dry cat food for this poor white homeless cat. There are more cats under the garbage can. Probably their siblings, different as their family. However, as you can see, this white cat is having our dry cat food. Do you like it, guy? We hope so. Second cat is hesitating. Feels like he's eating chicken. Some chicken. Who knows? It's literally garbage can. And the train is coming. The second cat finally joined. Please have it. We hope they are satisfied. If you support being kind with dry cats, please subscribe to our channel. Every subs, every like will attract more people into our homeless cat challenges and needs, and hence more cats will be provided with relevant and required food, help, assistance. Please help your little brother. What do you think about it? Please leave in the comments how we are feeding and what should we improve next time. We will highly appreciate any thoughts on it. Just look how hungry this kitten or cat is. She's definitely hungry. And we hope that this cat is satisfied having our food. As you can see, the second cat has come. Just look how hungry they are. Third cat has come. What are beautiful creatures. Do you agree? The fourth cat is hesitating. Probably it's their mother or father. I assume it's mother. What do you think about?